These are 6 favorite ways to make income on YouTube. They're not limited to this, but they're my favorite. Number 1 would be the YouTube partnership program, where you're sharing ad revenue with YouTube for placing ads on your videos. Number 2 would be affiliate marketing. You don't need to have a number of subscribers. There's no qualifying criteria for this one. All you need to do is to create videos that people want to watch. While they're watching, you add the affiliate link, you refer them to the link, and then they buy the product that you are promoting. Number 3 would be crowdfunding. This would be you going live and the crowd is funding you using the super thanks or using thanks if you're not going live and you're using your videos. Number 4 would be brand deals. This is the new favorite one of mine. I want to show you what happened to me yesterday. Adobe said my video was nice. I approached them before and they declined me. So I'm going to approach them again because now they are watching my videos unprovoked. So I'm going to approach them again and see if I can get a brand deal. Number 5 is sell a product. This is the easiest one as well. If you create videos that people want to watch, you could refer them to your website and then you could sell a product that way. The 6th favorite one that's coming up next year is course creation. So education channels, we cannot wait to make it rain because YouTube is bringing a course creation platform very similar to your Kajabis and your Graphies and your Skillshare and your Teachable right on YouTube. That means the client experience. If somebody is already on YouTube and they already love you on YouTube, you don't need to send them away for you to generate income. They're already there. They can click on the course and then you can start generating income that way. So those are the 6. Let me know which one is your favorite on the comments below. Thank you for watching.